Hi, welcome to .NET X Become a JavaScript Developer Learning Path. My name is Shailen Chauhan. I'm Microsoft MVP, Technical Consultant, and Corporate Trainer. In this learning path, you will learn all the necessary skill set which are required to become a JavaScript developer. So now let's understand what is JavaScript. So JavaScript is a programming language to develop the cross-platform web application, desktop application, mobile application. So JavaScript is a language which can be used to build any type of application. It is a language which you can run on client side as well as server side. Because before the JavaScript, if you're taking the example of Java, C Sharp, or let's say the PHP, so these languages we can run only on server side. But the JavaScript is the language initially it was introduced to run on the client side. But now with the help of Node.js, we can run the JavaScript on the server side as well. So now let's see why should learn the JavaScript. So JavaScript we should learn because it is simple and easy to use. Because now you have to just learn only one language to build any type of application. It is most widely used programming language nowadays. So when it is coming to the desktop application development, mobile application development and the web application development, JavaScript is the widely used programming language nowadays. It is having a largest ecosystem about the planet. So when it is coming to the JavaScript, we having the npmjs.com, we having the various others library and framework like jQuery, React.js, AngularJS, all other JavaScript libraries framework are based upon the JavaScript style. So JavaScript is the programming language which is necessary to work on the Angular, React.js, Vue.js, MongoDB. Everywhere you will find out JavaScript, the syntax the people are using. Even the JavaScript developer are getting the highest salary in the market. If you're comparing the salary of the JavaScript developer with the .NET and the PHP or like any other programming language, you will find out JavaScript developer are getting paid high. So prerequisite for this training program is you should not have any prior knowledge, because here we are just going to teach you everything from the scratch. And to do the hands-on, make sure you have installed the Node.js as an IDE. We will use Visual Studio Code. That is a free open source IDE which can be downloaded from the given link. Now let's see what are the various things you will learn in this learning path. You will learn here the JavaScript basics like data type, operator, variables. You will learn about here the loops, the conditional statement. Even you will learn here the ES6 features, because the ES6 is the modern JavaScript. So what are the new features has been introduced over there, you will learn over there. Let's say let keyword, we have been the constant keyword. So you will learn about here how to write the code using the modern JavaScript. So in the modern JavaScript, we having the object-oriented programming. You will have the different other things over there. Even you will learn here how to create the function, scope and prototypes, object-oriented programming using the ES6 classes, how to do the inheritance and all the things over there. Then you will learn here the advanced JavaScript concept like modules, promises and the Ajax. So these are the various things are required to get started with the Node.js, or to get started with the other JavaScript libraries and framework like React.js and the Vue.js. So I hope you will join me in this journey to be a JavaScript developer. So let's get started.